Early verdict. Our incredible team at WashDryDazzle took a closer look at this dishwasher for you. We've dived deep into its features and how it performs, because we want you to have all the fabulous details to make the best choice for your kitchen. For those who like to have a summary first, the WashDryDazzle team gave it a 4.5 rating, and the same 4.5 rating is given to it by its users. The team evaluated its performance on 10 indicators: price and design, cleaning performance, drying performance, noise level, energy efficiency, water usage, cycle time, loading capacity, safety features, and reliability and durability. Quick pros of the dishwasher include: compact size ideal for small spaces, diverse washing programs for different needs, no installation hassles, quiet operations for peaceful environments, energy and water efficient. Quick cons of the dishwasher include: not Energy Star rated, no safety locks or overflow protection, no Wi-Fi and smart home integration. Now, let's dive deeper into the performance evaluation.